What's going on, everyone? Michael here with Digital Playbook. And if you're ready to make over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and a free AI tool, you're in the right place. I'm going to be walking you through step by step how you can get started earning money online, even if you're a complete beginner. In fact, all this stuff I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert. You don't have to have a fancy computer. You don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use a checklist that I'm going to be giving you for free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to do to start earning money online, which includes done for you emails, done for you videos, done for you image post, and all kinds of really cool stuff that we actually use ChatGPT to generate, and we actually drive traffic to things that we get paid to promote with these AI generated posts. Now, if you want all this stuff, all you have to do is drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I will actually send you access to all of this stuff right now in a response. So go ahead, drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I'll send you all of this stuff right now for free. Quickest, easiest way is just go to digitalplaybook.com, enter in your information, Michael, and I will send this stuff to you right away. Now on this page, another video just showing you step by step how to do everything, but also to be able to get everything, you need to sign up for this free trial of a tool called High Level. This is going to be how you're going to be able to import all of these done for you emails and done for you reels and everything, so you don't have to manually do it. I mean, you technically could do this all manually, but the whole point of this is to start earning money quickly and automated using systems. So with these systems, putting you in a good place. Okay, so once you sign up for the 30 days of High Level, you'll get taken to a screen like this with the launch pad. So this video right here, I'm going to be teaching you how to use content that my team has already put together so you can start generating eyeballs, generating views, and you can start driving traffic to a link of one of these AI tools that you get paid to promote through affiliate marketing. Now, the one that I'm going to be talking about today is High Level, but also our Radar. And I'm going to talk about this later, and this is the tool that I use to schedule out all the content. So once you sign up for Go High Level, you'll get taken to a screen like this. Dashboard, pretty much it could be, just shows you what everything is at a high level. Conversations. So conversations is where you can hook up everything to your Launchpad, as far as if you would have to go settings, integrations, and you can hook up your Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and that is where, let's say you get a DM, it all comes into here. Calendar, contacts, opportunities, automations. Email opt-ins. Look at all this. Now you're wondering, so how do I get all of this into my Go High Level account or my systems? So once you get the checklist for Digital Playbook, you're going to want to you can go to Snapshot, or if you just click New Resource Checklist and you click Import Snapshot, it's going to take you to a screen. That looks like this, that says yes, import. Now, if you click on import snapshot and you have not signed up for Go High Level, it's not going to pop up with import now. It's going to have you create an account and all that stuff. That's why I suggest you sign up first, and then you're going to hit yes, import now. And it's going to show up. Notice how I've done this a couple times. Import now. Then what you're going to do is hit create new account. Don't go to search, just hit add account manually, and then it's going to, you would hit save, and then it's going to have you import everything. Honestly, you just type in a bunch of random stuff. You don't have to fill this out. You would only need to fill this out if you are building this system for a business owner, which I'll talk a little bit about later. So I'm just going to exit out of this. This is where you would have everything as far as the automations, the different funnels. So the digital playbook funnel that I have, boom, give this to you for free. If you start with the free course, go here, excuse me, sign up for the AI affiliate agency course. Once you do that, all we need is your email and first name, and it'll take you to everything as far as what's a sub account, how you create a sub account, funnels, affiliates, everything. If you're a beginner, how to do everything step by step. We host, my mentor hosts Zoom calls Monday afternoon. Everything you would need is in this course. Once you're set up with all this, you are going to go back to the checklist, go to IG Reels, and this is where you're going to want to start downloading all of these different videos. Once you download these videos, you can either use Radar. This is what I use to post all these videos, or just use this system Go High Level has. It's pretty much the same thing, and you can keep everything in one location. So what you would do is you would just want to connect all your different accounts. Those videos that you downloaded, you would want to upload. And then the videos that you download, just upload all of those into the media storage here on Go High Level. And then boom, these are ones that I've already uploaded. Click this. Boom, post. Let's write get people to go to your link. So whenever they comment, you would just send them over to your link. So I just gave you a pretty basic, not very detailed version of how to get started. But the whole point of this video is to show you the checklist and show you what is capable. So everything you need, just start with going to the AI affiliate agency course, and that literally takes you through step by step of how to get started. Talk about promoting Go High Level, but any one of these AI tools, let's say you want to talk more about image tools, video clips, there's other different email CRMs and funnel builders that you can use. Just start here at the new resource checklist and just go through everything. If you're really having a hard time, you can get on a call with me and my team, and we will get everything set up for you as far as making sure you got the emails going out right, you have videos uploaded, everything's connected. Get the checklist, go to digitalplaybook.com, and we will get everything sent over to you. Happy money making.